Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Peterson LumenX LED red 4-function trailer tail light. Now this is an oval tail light for your trailer. It serves 4 functions. It'll work as a tail light, a brake light, a turn signal, and a backup light. This does use LumenX optics, which will create a nice solid panel of light that will illuminate the entire lens. And if you notice right here, it has a cyclops-style design, which will integrate a single backup light into your tail light. The regulated design on this ensures consistent light output, prevents overheating. Now at the end of this video, I am going to hook this up to some 12-volt power just to show you how bright the light is, but I first want to go over some of its features. The LEDs on this will make great replacements for incandescent lights. They'll last 50 times longer, and they're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output. And of course, you don't have to worry about any bulbs to replace or brittle filaments that are going to break. It is a red and a clear lens. Over 6 red LEDs and 1 white LEDs. Again, this is compatible with 12-volt DC systems. It is a recessed mount design. You can see it comes with the built-in plastic flange, and you can mount this in any 360-degree position. Now this does accept the industry standard AMP style weatherproof plugs. Now those plugs we do sell separately on our website. This one here you can see comes with 5 hardwired leads with a separate 3-wire plug and a separate 2-wire plug. This is DOT compliant, Department of Transportation. Does meet the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards 108 requirements for automotive lighting, and it is made in the USA. A few specs again on this. There is 6 red LEDs, 1 white LEDs. Input voltage 9 volts to 16 volts DC. Dimension on this, and then we'll hook it up to some power. So the overall length, and I am going to measure the plastic flange included, one end to the other, is 7 11/16 inches long. The height, right at 3 5/8 inches tall. And the total depth I'm going to measure from the front to the back of the plug here that sticks out. So if we do that, you're going to be looking at right at about 1 3/8 inches deep. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go ahead and plug this in. Again, I happen to have the weatherproof plugs. So we'll go ahead and plug the 3-wire one in. And we'll go ahead and plug the 2-wire one in. And then if I go ahead and turn on my turn on my 12-volt power, you can see I'll go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. There's your tail light function. And then when you apply your brakes, you can see how much brighter it gets when your brakes are applied. And then when you do your turn signal, there's your turn signal. Same way, it gets brighter. So that's a total of 3 functions. And then the last one we have is our backup light function. And once we get that all connected, and you can see when you go into the backup light mode, you can see the single very bright LED comes on. Lets everybody know you're going in reverse. Go ahead and turn off our power. Turn back on our overhead lights. But that should do it for the review on this Peterson LumenX LED red 4-function trailer tail light.